there for a few days? Good, because I'm in town for a while. Not even second-degree burns could keep me down. That's right. Well, don't worry about me. Worry about the fence. That's what you get when you hire cheap labor. Now, not only does Groman not know I checked myself out of the hospital, I believe he's forgotten he gave me a key to his place. Feed me out one time when he was out of town. Surprise! What the fuck?
What the hell? What the hell? Who is that?
Rugged Jack, eh?
Rugged Jack? How'd you get in my house?
Hey, you know, you gave me the key. I got the key a long time ago. I checked myself out of the hospital because nobody can keep me down. Third-degree burns can't keep me down. Nothing can keep me down. I'm a man. I came over here to say hi and apologize about burning your damn grill down. I'm to check the meat again. Oh, damn grill caught on fire. I knew this would happen. I haven't been cleaning it regularly. No need to worry. No need to rush. What you do in a situation like this is you don't panic. You turn off the propane on this side. You easily go inside. We're going to go inside here. We're going to get your nice bottle of water. And there's no need to stress. Because what we're going to easily do here, I apologize that not only I burned down your grill, but I ruined the grills for everybody in this apartment complex.
Yeah, well, you know, it's nice to see ya. You know, surprising. You want a beer? Right there for you, my friend.
Yeah, Groman. You know, I love playing cards. You're doing a hot hand tonight, but I can't wait. I'm freaking starving here. I mean, this hospital food sucks, and you know I'm on food stamps and they don't approve everything, you know. But what we got to eat tonight, man? I'm freaking starving.
Hey, I got the great thing for you right here. You know, I've been whipping up. It's me and my great teriyaki chicken. Welcome to another edition of Slow Cooking with Groman. And this time, as always, we try not to be as slow, or we're still cooking, and to make sure it's great, it's still got to be cooked slow to make sure you get the best way it goes. Now tonight, let's go ahead and take a look. Always as usual, you always want to get everything set up, all ready to go. And we got our pans, marinades, everything cut up, our vegetables, rice, pans, we're ready to go. First thing you want to do is you want to cook the rice, or at least get it going, and you want to get some water going in it. So every cup of rice that you put in, you're going to do 1 cup of water. That's the most important thing, and the best way to do it is with an old trusty friend, the cup of water meter. Here's another thing that's very important. See how it's a little over the 1 cup mark? Your teachers always in school told you, oh, you got to be on the dot. You don't want to be on the dot. You always want to be a little over. And there we go. Time to start rolling. Finally, we're cooking. Best way to grease up a pan when you're doing vegetables is this. You get your top of your cup, and you just pour a little bit in. Maybe a couple of them. After you do that, you grab just that's it, paper towel. And now once you get that around, now you're getting the oil on all areas. You don't want to do too much, you don't want to do too little. You can do that, but you don't want to do that. A real chef uses a big blade and picks it up with his knife and pours it in, scooping and scooping. It's hard to explain right now, but it smells wonderful, and it has barely hit the pan. So right now we got both a very small blaze going on. You want to go about a 6 here because you know that your rice is going to take a while to cook. And right now you're looking at the water level. You already know there's going to be a little water going in. Before we go there, we're going to go to Rugged Jack, and he's going to tell you a few things about the chicken.
So, I've been belittled to, like a barbarian, to cook my meat in either the oven or the stovetop. In this case of mine, the one I'm going to start with is on the stovetop. Groman, I luckily came over. He's been saving this meal, and he started marinating this about 24 hours ago. We're talking about teriyaki chicken. First off, I've only started one fire in my life. And that was not my fault, really. Oops. Oh shit, I spilled the salt. What shoulder is it? Left shoulder, right shoulder, I don't know. There's 75 different Chinese variations on chicken, and I know all of them. Now you got the oil in the pan. You don't spill it, because you might start an oil fire down there. Now, we're going to turn the heat up. We're going to get that oil heat up just a little bit, and we're going to start dropping the chicken on there like they're little parachute troopers, and we're going into World War II to fight Hitler. Hey Groman, you know, you might want to throw the mushrooms on there soon. Water's boiling, everything's boiling. So, we got this up really high. We're going to start dropping little napalm bombs, guys, there. Now, be careful. I'm not wearing a shirt I really care about. But if you're wearing a shirt you really care about, you can get an apron. Because if it says grease bumps onto your shirt, you're going to have a grease dot that'll never go away. We're going to do a chicken log there. Oh look, I'm going to see. See, now I'm going to show you the best special trick ever. Because we're going to not only just cook this in oil, one piece at a time. We're going to drain the oil and we're going to sear the chicken. And then we're going to put the teriyaki sauce over it. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait for you to see.
Now here, a little bit of butter. Not bubbly, butter. So right here, what we're doing here is we're getting a lot of butter, getting a lot of vegetables. Nothing's actually really grilled up yet, you know, and we're going to start actually grilling up the front a little bit because we really want to get some of those grill marks on it. But butter is very important. And this is another process. So now, there we go. Trust me, it's going to work out.
Well, I ain't going to fib to you or lie to you like Groman does. Because this dish is not even close to ready. It's taking them a lot longer than expected. And I'm starving to death. I feel like I should be staying in the country, Ethiopia. I know chicken. So, what we're going to do, as you see how I had the chicken marinating, then I sauteed the chicken. Now, if this was my own mansion and I own it, or I own my own house, I wouldn't worry about it. But this is an apartment Groman's renting, and they're overcharging him too much money. I don't give a shit about their disposal. So I'm going to go ahead and pour fat grease and everything and anything I can down that. And if it happens to malfunction, I'll call them and they'll fix it for free. As I pour a little beer upon the chicken. Beer chicken, teriyaki chicken. You're putting an American twist on an Asian dish. And now, the best of both worlds combined.
Right now, the most important thing is the rice. We want to make sure the rice can always stay cooked for a long time. Right now, see how that's going? It's looking beautiful. Beautiful, but it has not boiled yet. What we're going to do is we're going to get it as a boil. So we're going to make sure that it's boiling. It's not there yet. And once it gets there, you'll see that all that water will dissipate, and it's getting very close. Very close. Now, putting the vegetables, and that's why you actually really want to get the high heat and let it sit there, because you actually want the vegetables to cook through. And a lot of people are impatient. When you actually are impatient and you actually let them cook through, now you can start seeing some of the butter and everything drizzle through. You know, it's just a beautiful thing.
I know many of Groman ain't washing. You never need soap. When you cook, you clean. When you clean, you never need soap. Just hot water. You know, we just sear the chicken, and we sear the chicken. And we're gonna have this up, cooking up. You hear the sizzle.
Then we take a little bit of butter. Well, actually a lot, depending on who your friends are. So in this case, there's a lot of rice. Can't overcook vegetables.
We just... Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We got some butter in here. Good!
What?
We ran out of butter. I'm gonna need you to go to the store and get some more butter. If you want this chicken cooked right, you gotta go to the store, get in your BT Cruiser, and get us some butter. It's just 2 blocks down the road. Hey man, all of them afford it. Grill. That's how you grill right there. That's what I always use. Corbett. These things are always a pain in the ass.